This is for quiz 7-3B, number 10, the first problem. Some students would read this as negative x squared minus x. The correct way to say it is the opposite of x squared minus x. So to solve it, we know x is equal to 3, so I'm going to replace each of the x's with a 3 in parentheses. So the opposite of parentheses squared minus a parenthesis, and I put the value of 3 in. And now I can start solving. So I'm trying to get an answer as my final solution. So to solve this, the next thing I'm going to do is circle the terms. And when you circle terms, that's order of operations, plus and minus signs separate the terms. So this minus sign and that minus sign are separating part of my information. And then I have another term over here. So this first term just means 3 to the second power, which is 9. And this term, of course, is just 3. And now I put my minus signs or negative signs, or as I said before, the opposite sign back in. So I put my subtraction sign in, and this means not negative 3 squared, but now you can see how it's 3 squared, and we do the opposite of it. So your final answer is just negative 9 minus 3, or negative 12. Thank you.